Today we are working on Excel Lesson 1, the third lesson, applying custom accounting formats. So with the Destination Profiles Accounting open, you see up here, that's the document we have open. Select B11 through E. So we're selecting this whole row. Click the number format dialog box launcher. In the category section, we're going to select accounting and then click $, English, United States. So right here, $, English, United States. In the category section, select custom. Formatting code is much more complex because specific currency symbol was selected in 3. So you can see all of this gibberish that it put in here. Click OK. Notice that the numbers in this row are indented to the left by 1 space. This space is reserved for the right bracket. If the number is less than 0, the brackets are displayed on both left and right side. Because these numbers are all greater than 0, a blank space appears on the right side. One of the differences between the accounting and currency formats is the currency symbol in the accounting format is at the far left of the cell, whereas it's immediately to the left of the number when the currency format is used. So you see the $sign's way over here. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. With those cells still highlighted, open up the dialog box launcher again. Click the custom category. Delete the contents of the text box. And type in all of this. I'm just going to copy it. If you copy and paste it like I do, I got the period at the end. That doesn't need to be in there. Then click OK. You can see that it changed it to that format with the $signs right on the number. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Select B9 to E9. B9 to E9. Open up the dialog box launcher. In the custom category, change the custom format to my copying and pasting. Click OK. Should look like this. You can see that it's got 20 billion, 1.37, and so on and so forth, and you see the stuff that we did in this row. That all looks correct. So mark that as answered. Submit. Looking for 3 green checks. You see that we did that correct. So this completes custom accounting formats.